You look what I go. Madness, on top of madness. Bless up, me dad. When you say I make a call,
Yeah, man, tell me about the road.
you tell a friend, say, then tell the world, man, talk to the world.
Yeah, man, the road look good. It couldn't be better.
Okay.
I just the man have to take time and I want to kill up themselves.
Say it to again, me drive by the year, no, man.
I just see people that stop, drive fast and kill up themselves. People just go easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the road look good.
So you done make your call already?
Yeah, man, I call and see if me yard alright, you know.
Yeah, call and see if you are alright.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I know say Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging planet.
I have a dream that one day, St. Thomas will be the #1 parish in Jamaica. I have a dream. I guess I should say, St. Thomas people, we all have a dream. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, family subs, welcome back, one and all. Yes, sire. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another development, viewers and subscribers, St. Thomas people. Okay. Yes, viewers and subscribers, we are out here again, viewers, as we show you the development of St. Thomas continue. Today we are closer, we are at a license, but we are closer to the hospital.
So my people, when we say close to the hospital, it sounds like somebody individual. I go close to the hospital, so make we clarify that. The work that the workman they are doing, the work itself, them are getting closer and closer to the hospital with the work. You understand my viewers? Yes, because as you know, Smith & Aswell is a company that Aswell a lot of road across Jamaica. I don't know if they ever leave going to Caribbean or whatever, but I know about across Jamaica. So the work that they are performing, it's getting closer and closer to the hospital. You understand? So just get that straight, because when me say Smith & Aswell team I head closer, it sound like somebody sick or somebody rare. So I'm just get that straight in our head. You understand me, answer viewers? Yes, man. That's the main target for morning, is to get the hospital road out of the way. So that means to say the flow in our traffic pertaining to the hospital would be more smoother, so you don't have no whole heap of backup, no whole heap of crowd, no, you know me I say, no controversy, no way surrounding the hospital area. It will be free, that should in case any emergency, everything flow free. Going in, coming out. You understand my viewers and my subscribers? So that's what they are aiming for. So it's not like the work I go stop at the hospital, It now go stop at the hospital, I go continue. Pass the hospital, continue, go. Can't remember I have to go to Prospect, license, lethal, whatever. But them just want to get the hospital area out of the way. So should in case if any emergency, they don't create no animosity there, sir. So just hope you understand fully what me I say. If what me say makes sense, comment down in the comment section. So we still have to give Smith & Aswell thumbs up for this. Yeah, we have to give them a thumbs up for this. Have that in their mind. So that's a good thing. And the hospital is a good look itself. Really, really good look, my viewers and subscribers. So, big up on yourself. You know what they do, so just do.
Some people, as we say, we tell you already, so we arrive late, so what we are going to do? We are going to go and walk, make you see what them already done. Hopefully, none of them mad driver, bounce down out of the road, because them crazy, so we have to know where we are walk. You know me, I say my viewers. Yeah, and my viewers and subscribers, listen what I go on over YouTube, yes. We start a TikTok thing, Yeah. Everybody about me say, why? do some TikTok, send some video on TikTok. So we start a thing. So you are one. A DJ Mikey, you know. Yeah, so you put the link in the description, okay? Yeah, so if you find me on TikTok, a DJ Mikey 4. You understand me? I say, yeah man. So I will put the link and just go there, go give me the support, okay my viewers? Big up to all TikTok people, you know. Yeah, well, we new in the place, so we are looking to support also TikTokers. Bless up on yourself. This is what them already done already, so take a look. So as I'm telling you already, so the hospital I want to reach. So this is the hospital, you know. In case you never know, the St. Thomas Princess Margaret Hospital over there, so the viewers. So this is where them are head for. This is where them really they don't want to get out of the way. So that should in case any emergency or anything, anybody have reached hospital or anything, yeah, they have a smooth sailing to the hospital, and this is so good. So big up Cement and Asphalt for that. Yeah, if you have put that, we have that in consideration. Yeah, so look at the hospital gate now. Smooth and nice, though. Talk to me, no man. St. Thomas development continue, you know, look at the hospital gates. Yeah. Ambulance going in and out, smooth. Any private vehicle carrying anybody going in and out, smooth. See that, viewers? See the sign there? Welcome to Princess Margaret Hospital. Yeah. So this is what we are talking about, the hospital gate. We have a free flow. You saw it not chuck up now, no bad road, no nothing at all. Yes. So anything I come in, shoot. Because I remember life we deal with. Life come first. You know what I say? Yeah. Alright, if you want, put it in our next way. God come first. Mankind come after. We don't care about the rest. Yeah, put it that way there. Don't bounce me no driver, you're going to bounce me, son. Bless up, my dad. When you say I make a call, yeah, tell your friends, then tell the world, man, talk to the world.
Yeah, man, the road look good, it couldn't be better.
Okay.
I just the man have to take time and I want to kill up and say.
Say it to again, my driver the year, no man.
I just see people that stop, drive fast and kill up and say, people just go easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the road look good.
So you like how St. Thomas a move?
Yeah, man, I like how St.
How St. Thomas a head good in a good direction?
Yeah, man, now the class that they might be looking at good here and everything will go good.
Yes. So you love the development?
Yeah, man.
You love the progress?
Yeah, man, I love what I want.
You love what I want?
Yeah, man, no reverse.
No reverse?
No.
Okay.
It's a one and right way.
You're born and grow St. Thomas?
Yeah, man, White House.
White House, yes. So the first time you know St. Thomas is St. Thomas a move. So.
Yeah, I'm going to the road and fix and quick you reach done.
Okay.
I just man a bit of take that time now.
Okay. So you done make your call already?
Yeah, man, I call and see if my yard alright.
Yeah, call and see if your yard alright?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So what a phone on him? Samsung? What a phone on him?
I first line phone.
The first time line phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Make up yourself, man. Take safe travel here.
Alright.
I make your call. You don't make your call?
Yeah, man.
Hang up your phone up?
Yeah, yard alright. Yeah.
Yard alright. So hang up your phone, yeah. Alright. Big up yourself.
Alright.
Alright, hold me down. Yeah, St. Thomas, you can't bore it. Yeah, St. Thomas, boring. Hospital hospital get nice. Man, ask me that. I tell you, man, we love to see this. Send it to the viewers. Remember, watch out the ads. Remember, like up the video. Stick and stay. More for you to stick on. When the machine kick off, like that. Boom. So viewers, as you can see out of the hospital, so you have sidewalk, two sides of the road, both sides. Sidewalk is on this side, sidewalk is also on the next side. So when you reach anywhere at the hospital area, it's a really good look, viewers. As you all can see for yourself. Yes, take a look now, viewers, you see it? So we say St. Thomas is up. Yeah, man. Development of St. Thomas continue. Do stick and stay. So traffic them a flow smooth, viewers. Yeah, no come busted no there at the hospital gate. Hospital gate free. So anything can just go in without no problem. Coming out, no problem. And that's a good look. Machine up and moving and no viewers. Yeah. The great man at the control, Whitehead. Why viewers, me I'll something look while I couldn't even show no. Because me I tell you see we are warning the cameraman about the motorist about the driving. And an accident happened a while ago. I couldn't even show the video because the amount of body what me say lie down. I'm going to the hospital. Why me I tell a star. Couldn't even show that part there a while ago. Accident. I know you're saying it happened somewhere outside. Yeah. Amount of body what me see a while ago go in. I don't know if a body are in the hospital. No. Poor box van. No. Whitehead. I brought in one name, Kemar. I brought in one name, Kemar Brown, for one of Fort Moran. He said anytime I see you, they must heal you up, you know. So I make sure you heal you up, make you hear, you know. Alright, Kemar, give up yourself, man. Yo, the man saying love it, the man saying rate you, that shit. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I tell you, man, the man. The truth, me don't know him not talk. Well, me don't know. But the man says a work hard. Yeah, man, the man say, yo, he love what you do, man. So, you know, it makes you send me the message here. Yeah. And your heart tonight, you will success. Yeah. You understand? See how we are, sir. And not me alone. And the team. And the team. Yeah, Shabba there. Yeah, great Shabba. Yeah. And more you know that everything. All right, come on. Bless you. So, Kemar, you deliver your message, sir. You deliver your message, so you tell me to tell Whitehead, so. Bless up yourself. Do they do? Big up to my loyal subscriber. Every video that posts, look forward to them comment. Have something to say. I put them for emoji, whatever they want to send, but them always get active down in the comment section. And we love when people get active down there. Remember, every comment, we try our best to reply back to them and read them. And for me telling you something, viewers, listen what I'm telling you. Say. I don't call no name, but there's a big person who in the, you know, read the comments them, and I won't even tell you what them say. So you see no comments, viewers, no comments, don't stop comment. Don't stop comment when you don't see video. Comment, because big authority I read the comments and them I get to we, and we are know say yes, the comments are really effective. So continue to comment. Speak your mind. Bless. I don't remember the roller, don't roll on this as yet. Why do you post a video when some gentleman run a Golden Grove and cut some feed, and they must say after the crowd them up a search seat here? You post a video the other day, show some gentleman and cut some feed with a tractor and an XP, and I eat that no viewers. Yeah. Probably viewers right now, I feel away. Honestly, I don't like to I feel away. Just feel a little down right now. You know why? The reason to what I see just happened a while ago. The amount of people I see lie down in a vehicle going to hospital a while ago. Accident. Yo, God Almighty, man. God. Yo, the amount of body I see lie down in a car a while ago. People lie down in a car. Yo. Not to mention inside. In the front. Yo, me and tell you, Cha.
Sound for them accident.
Let's accident. I'm going to go around to the side. Well, I tell you, Mr. Viewers, if I don't feel right now, because remember, I have friends out there, I have family out there, I have kids out there. You know what I say? So when you see them something, you know what I say? Shake up the nerves in my jaw. Cha-cha. We say motorists, take on time, no man. You don't really have to be speedy still, you know. And I must true we say take your time, you don't really have to be speedy, you know. But you know, drive for me drive for you. Simple. Sometimes this thing we are talking about right away to create the accident, you know, the right away thing. Because through me the my right away, me nah show no sympathy to the man, to your opponent, to the next person. So sometimes this right away thing I create like a right away, me no business I want come, me no business I want to come, me claim so me right away. So this right away sometimes I create a lot of accident viewers. So sometimes you have to give up right away just to save life, man. Give it up. Give it up. Anyway, really feel that way about, you know, just go pull in a light on last, but everybody lie down and mash up. Wait, we just have to father Gregory up on the ground. I know the money after the on the ground gonna send by check. You understand? To make sure everything is right. Yes, sir. Half a day here. Look good viewers if you can see where it's drying. Just take a close look if you can see where it's drying. Speak your mind down in the comment section. You see where it's drying? Well, we have skip and car all and stuff everywhere, so we have to like up the video, you know. Welcome to TikTokers. Yeah, we're up on TikTok now, as we say. So we're going to show TikTok people the development that's going on in St. Thomas. Yes. Yeah, well, we are spreading the thing wider, you know. You know me as a viewers? Yeah. So a lot more people can see what's going on. They got me YouTube fans, I mean, you know, me not left out, you know. I wish I saw in the beginning, so shall it be in the end, you know. Yeah, man, we don't switch. I mean, I get some good love from the TikTok people, them. So far, I'm just start. Maybe about 2 or 3 days. So go over there and follow me, viewers. Yes. Check the description. No, check the bio, man. Because that's what TikToker. Check the bio for the YouTube link. And check the description for the TikTok link on YouTube.
I don't know what I'm going, you know. No, we don't know what really I'm going.
I don't know what's going on with them driver here in the Channel Star. I don't know. So my viewers, I just see them start from the hospital side, heading back to Morant Bay side. Well, them they stop at Falcon Crest corner. So this, what them I go with now, I go join on for the piece where them stop at Falcon Crest corner. You understand me? I said them not go reach there today. No, them not go reach there today. We don't know when them are going to reach you, but when you subscribe to the channel, you will see. So all you got to do, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, left it on all. So until we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed upon the video viewers. When I watch all the ads, remember that's how we get paid. Yes, that's how we get paid. So when you skip the ads, you skip a pay for me. So please don't skip the ads, okay, viewers? Bless upon yourself, manners and thanks. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, bring it to you know. Make you say the development of Center must continue. Some people say the progress can't. My God, what kind of mad? Sorry, me I tell you. Oh. Anyway, whatever it is, it's a good thing. If it's a progress, it's a good thing. The development also. So anyway you put it, it's a good thing for Center Mass. So I have a dream that one day Center Mass will become the #1 parish in Jamaica. So as I say now that we come to the end of another video, hope you all enjoy it. If you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you leave a like, thank you for the like. And if you leave a comment, thank you also. Remember, speak your mind down in the comment section. Get active there. And remember, big authority reading in the comments. So speak your mind down there. We're not going to call no name, because they told him not to call no name, but you know, yeah. So when you speak your mind, don't afraid to speak your mind, okay, viewers? Because it's a see and it's a talk about. So, as I said, we come to the end of another video. Hope you all enjoyed. See you people in the next video, you know. And as we always telling you, safe travel on the gravel. I'm out. Now what is God? So where this car man I come over, yes sir. Where the mother red blue this man? Where this God?